Welcome to Countryside Rental LLC, where we're turning clutter into clarity with our top-notch dumpster rentals in Apple Valley, Minnesota. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out the garage, or managing a construction project, Countryside Rental LLC has a dumpster that fits your needs. Our diverse range of dumpsters ensures there's a perfect solution for every cleanup challenge. At Countryside Rental LLC, we're not just about dumpsters, we're about responsible waste management. We prioritize environmentally friendly disposal methods, ensuring your waste is handled with care and consideration for our planet. At Countryside Rental LLC, we're not just about dumpsters, we're about responsible waste management. Our user-friendly interface and dedicated team make the rental process a breeze, giving you more time to focus on what matters most. Ready to simplify your cleanup? Contact Countryside Rental LLC at 507-298-0950 or visit www.countrysidedumpsterrental.com. Dumpster Rental Apple Valley, MN. Thank you for choosing Countryside Rental LLC, where clarity begins with a cleared space.